Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I have for you these amazing apricot dumplings. Easy to prepare and delicious. I'm gonna start with ingredients for the dough. I have here 700 grams of potatoes, really starchy potatoes that I boiled with the peel on, and I'm gonna let them cool down. And beside that, I will use 50 grams of grits, 150 grams of flour, a pinch of salt, and 2 eggs. I peel the potatoes and I'm gonna grate them. And I have to warn you about something. This dough is gonna be really wet and sticky, so don't add more flour that I mentioned. Add now eggs over the potato, a pinch of salt, grits, and flour, and knead the dough until everything is well combined. Let's aside the dough and let's now make the mixture in which we're gonna toss the dumplings after we cook them. And I'm gonna need sugar, 75 grams, and 150 grams of breadcrumbs, 50 grams of butter. In a pan, I melted butter and I mixed it with sugar, and after that added breadcrumbs, but you can do it the other way around. I mean, you can toss the breadcrumbs, add butter and sugar over. Let this mixture to cool down. And let's see what we need for the filling. Of course, apricots, really nice and ripe, and I washed them. Cinnamon and around 3 tablespoons of sugar, and I mix sugar with cinnamon. And I will open up apricots and remove the seed. And better will be not to cut the fruits all way around. Just open them up just enough to be able to remove the seed, and stuff them with that sugar and the cinnamon mixture. Proceed on the same way with the rest of them. From the dough, you have to take now 1 or 2 tablespoons of dough. Make sure that you have your hands moistened with water. I say 1 or 2 tablespoons of dough, depending on how big your fruits are. You need to cover the fruits with the dough in an even layer, not too thick. I told you that the dough is gonna be really sticky, but having your hands moistened with water, it will help you shape them. Place them on a plate. Put some water in a pot, and when it starts to boil, add around 3 or 4 dumplings in there. And of course, you can help by having your hands wet in order to put the dumplings in the pot. After a few minutes, all the dumplings will rise above the water or on top of the water, so you can remove them and toss them in the breadcrumb mixture. You can serve them warm or you can serve them cold. They're delicious and so easy to prepare, and kids will love these. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. It will help my channel a lot. Please ring the bell to receive notification, comment, and give a thumbs up. Thank you again. I will see you here with another recipe. Until then, find reasons to smile. Bye bye.